2 of fine motor skills activities. In this part we do some activities. One is zip up and unzip, then sorting activity and spooning activity. Zip up, we use one jacket or cloth, anything. Child will learn how to zip up and unzip. And in sorting out activity, we sort out some pulses. And then spooning activity, child will shift with their hand, with spoon, all the things. Now we start with the first activity, zip up and unzip. Learn how to zip up. You will give him a jacket or any coat, anything, bag, kit, anything, and teach him how to zip up. See, child will hold again with his 2 fingers, alligator hand, which used in writing. Same 2 fingers and 1 zip. And he used second hand also. He hold this zip from here and hand, alligator hand is on this. Teach him how to use this zip. Slowly, slowly zip up. Then teach him how to unzip. Hold it from here and come down. Yes. Now he is using his 2 hands with alligator hand. It also improves the grip of the child, which afterwards he hold the pencil, crayon or do any activity with these 2 alligator hand fingers. So teach him how to zip up and unzip. Out activity, we use some pulses which are bigger in size. First we take Bengal gram, it's Rajma, then white gram, then black gram, then Rongi. Take some pulses which is bigger in size and mix all the pulses in a bowl. Mix all the pulses in a bowl. Now, explain the child, take out one pulse and put it in a one bowl. See? With this activity, again he hold the pulses with his alligator hand. Afterwards he used crayon and pencil with these 3 fingers, index finger, tall man and thumb, alligator hand. See how he is picking the pulses and put it in the different bowls. With this, child will learn time, sit more than that.
Start.
In this activity, child will learn problem solving. He'll solve the problem of all the mixing of pulses and sort out. And he also learn sit on one place. Next activity is spooning activity. In this activity, we take 1 pearl, Bengal gram, Rajma. The child will, you give the child 2 bowls. One is filled with Bengal gram and 1 empty bowl. Now what to do? Give 1 spoon to the child and just check how he is holding the spoon. If he is hold like this or he is hold like this, then change it and just teach him how to hold the spoon. He hold the spoon like this and then he transfer these Bengal grams in next empty bowl like this. With this activity, he learn patience and concentration. He transfer the things in next empty bowl like this. And this activity child will do with his mom in the kitchen also.